Hello everyone, it's John here again, just making up a quick and easy casserole. I couldn't find any diced meat, so I got the stir fry type of meat. Just got 3 carrots, 2 onions, and just enough water to top up everything so I can cook and so forth. And I've just put a little bit of curry in with the carrots. I've chopped them up. You can slice them, you can dice them, whatever you feel like your way. So hopefully this should be ready in an hour or two. And what you could also do to actually add on to whatever you like, you can put some peas in there, half a cup of peas, some beans, even 50 grams of rice in it as well, whatever floats your boat. Anyway, I hope you have a great day and hope to hear from you soon, and hopefully this one turns out all right. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.